Coconut, get away from me. Do not do this. Don't do it. No, have mercy.
Get away! No one likes you. I'm bigger and scarier. Did you see him attack me? He hurt me, Mom. He is no good.
What are you doing? No lights? Are you messing with my duvet cover? Sir? Excuse me, can I help you with something? What are you doing? That's new. Are you playing with your food? Are you playing with your food? Hey! Hey! Don't play with your food. Yeah, eat your food. What? Mingo! What?
What do you have going on to where you won't put that piece of chicken down? Why won't you? Where'd you get that piece of chicken from, Tanya? Don't look at Mama. Put it down. Put the chicken down. Where did you get that chicken from? And why are you just holding it in your mouth like that? Tanya. Tanya. Where'd you get that piece of chicken from in your mouth? Put it down. Put the chicken down. Tanya, So you just gonna sit there with that chicken in your mouth, holding a big ass piece of chicken, and you ain't gonna spit it out, and you're not supposed to have it. You just gonna hold on to it too, ain't you? Put the chicken down, Tanya.
All right, Steven, it's just right up here. Just follow me here. I can't wait. Oh, shit. It's looking right at me, Gary. Steven, don't move. Steven, you just gotta be completely still, and he won't see you. Oh,
Where's the pea? Brad, do you know where the pea is? Oh, there's the pea. Brad? 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 Brad, no! Brad! Brad! No!